Welcome to AlphaCars and Ural motorcycles. My name is Dimitri and I am filming a pretty unique device. This is a purpose-built crate which was engineered to carry one-of-a-kind, purpose-built and purpose-engineered motorcycle with a sidecar, a Ural motorcycle. Check this out. Not only we have world-class motorcycles, we'll talk more about it, we also have world-class, amazing engineered metal crates that are capable of delivering, literally transporting and delivering these motorcycles in amazing condition. So here is the crate, enough about it, and here is absolutely phenomenal, gorgeous motorcycle. Check out this color combination and look at all the amazing details that you can see now, and it's breathtaking. It really is. This is the what's called Colza field color combo, and it looks absolutely stunning, amazing, and wait until it is all together. Right now, it's still in the process of assembly, but I wanted to catch it to show you, again, not only the motorcycle, but the crate, because the way this crate is engineered, it's brilliant. When we uncrate these motorcycles, you would see the sidecar is very tight against the bike. It's like really, really close. And then when we fold it out, it's even engineered to have those tabs right there so that it makes it easy to unload the sidecar. And then we bring the sidecar onto this carrier. You can see it right here, and then we can transport it around, set it up, and finally attach it to the motorcycle. We clearly going to have an amazing video showing this bike when it's all together with accessories, and as you can see, we're already putting a bunch on this bike, color matched, and even the valve covers are color matched. The color is stunning. It pops right at you, and the quality of the finish and the entire motorcycle is simply amazing. So with this short video, we're just opening up the series about these gorgeous motorcycles. I have one over here that's also being assembled side by side, and this is the Polar Dawn, orange and blue. Again, breathtaking, stunning color. Finish is absolutely amazing, and look at all these details. So we have two of these bikes. They're going to be assembled side by side. And you can see another one right there in the background. So thanks for watching and stay tuned.